Hello friends! Today I'll teach you how to make After Effects like color correction on your mobile using CapCut. So let's start the video. First open CapCut app and arrange your clip and do exact settings as mine. After doing all the settings, like I did, export the clips and head to Coloro app. It's a paid app and it contains watermarks, so you'll have to download it from Google. Now, head to Effico app, and it's also paid app like Coloro, so you'll also need to download this from Google. After doing all the things like I did, go to Wink app And don't worry, it's free. It gives one free generation daily. So you can download it from Play Store. So do exact same settings like I do. Don't mess this, it's important part.
One eternity later.
So this is the before and after result. But there is still one thing missing. After your generation is complete, save the clip and head to CapCut again and put the overlay clip that I exported earlier and do exact settings like I do. And we are done. I hope I didn't disappoint you all. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe. If you need any other tutorials, tell me in the comments. For now, peace out.